Welcome back, YouTube. Once again, we're doing a front lower motor mount on this Chrysler Town & Country. Here's the part number for the motor mount that we got off Rock Auto. Loosen and remove the center bolt. You're going to use a 15 millimeter. Now remove with a 15 millimeter this one, and there's one on the other side in the same spot as that. So the old one's not ripped, but I can move it with one finger, and I can't move the new one. So this is pretty close to ripping. You can see it's cracking, so it's just not ripped yet. So good time to change it. Put all the bolts in very loosely. Now you're going to tighten the 3 that go on the frame all the way down and torque them. After you torque down the ones on the frame, we're going to tighten and torque the one that goes through the mount right here. Now you're done. That's all there is to it. So don't feel intimidated by automotive work. You should always check on YouTube first to see how hard it is. So, hope this helped you. If you liked it, hit like. If you want to see more stuff, subscribe. Until next time, wrench on.